Hello children, in today's video we will learn U words. Okay, so take out your Cordova Term 2 book, take out page number 48. Okay, repeat after me children. Come on, say U be up, T U be tub, and C U be cub. Okay, U be up, T U be tub, and C U be cub. Okay. Okay, now children, say look, come to the next picture. See, this is the picture of a mug. Okay, M-U-G, mug. So, beta, ask your parents to cut this and let them write here M-U-G, mug. Okay, M-U-G, mug. Okay, because this is the picture of a mug. Okay, mug means ये मग का पिक्चर है। मग से हम लोग क्या करते हैं? मग से हम लोग नहाते हैं। ओके, और ये और जग से क्या करते हैं? जग में हम लोग वाटर स्टोर करके रखते हैं, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, और उसको हम लोग ग्लास में पोर करके उसको यूज़ करते हैं। ठीक है, तो ये मग है। मग से हम लोग क्या करते हैं? मग से नहाते हैं। ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ कप. सो cut this and write CUP, cup. Okay, now great children, come on, say UG, ug, MUG, mug, and this is CUP, cup. Okay, again UG, ug, MUG, mug, and CUP, cup. Okay, now next one, UN, un, SUN, sun, BUN, bun. UN, un, SUN, sun, and BUN, bun. Next one, UT, ut, NUT, nut, and CUT, cut. UT, ut, NUT, nut, and CUT, cut. One more time children. UB, up, TUB, tub, CUB, cup. UG, ug, MUG, mug, CUP, cup. UN, un, SUN, sun, BUN, bun. UT, ut, NUT, nut, and CUT, cut. Now let's write some of the words, U words. Okay, ask your parents to write the date children, whatever the date is. Okay, and let them write these words UB, up, TUB, tub, CUB, cup in the first line. Now see here, small cursive U and small cursive B. Okay, you will join both the letters and you will write UB, up. Now small cursive T, small cursive U, and small cursive B. TUB, tub. You will join all the three letters and write. Then see, small cursive C, small cursive U, and small cursive B. CUB, cub. Here again you will join all the three letters. CUB, cub. Okay, see here, UB, up, TUB, tub, and CUB, cub. Okay, see again, UB, up, TUB, tub, and CUB, cub. Again children, see, UB, up, TUB, tub, and CUB, cub. UB, up, TUB, tub, and CUB, cub. UB, up, TUB, tub, and CUB, cub. Okay, UB, up, TUB, tub, and CUB, cub. UB up, TUB tap, and CUB cub. Now come to the next page, children. Here you will write UG ug, small cursive U and small cursive G. UG ug, then small cursive J, small cursive U and small cursive G. JUG jug, and small cursive M, small cursive U and small cursive G. MUG mug. Okay, say again. UG ug, JUG jug, and MUG mug. 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 Okay, you will not lift your pencil in between, children. Okay, only after completing the letters you will lift your pencil. Okay. UG ug, JUG jug, and MUG mug. UG ug, JUG jug, and MUG mug. UG ug, JUG jug, and MUG mug. Okay, children, same way do it in your copy, neat and clean writing. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye.